A very good morning, guys. Today is the 18th of November, 2025. So, we're gonna look at the XY Euro USD, GBP USD, and GBPJPY, maybe AUD USD. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna share insights of what I see currently on the market. Let's start with DXY. As you all can see, uh, we're expecting the market to come into uh, this demand zone after this breakout structure. The market came perfectly here, and now we are seeing the market, right? It pushed up for the past 2 days. The market was been like bullish, has been bullish, but in a console, like it's been like like retracement. Is like a retracement, because if you go to the lower time frame, we just have like a block of structure right here, and then this is our swing high, and this is our swing low. So now we will wait and see how the market will react, because now, as you can see, we saw like this small bump in the road, just swept, and then we had this a little bit of selling selling momentum after the swap of liquidity. So now the only thing that probably gonna wait for is something like this, and then taking the market toward the uh nearest nearest place of liquidity. But if this cannot happen, so the only thing that you wait for, let's go to the 4 hour time frame. We wait for a break of structure, and then we will wait for the market to come into our discounted price somewhere here, and then we look for longs. But for the short term, let's just look at uh here what's going to happen uh during New York session and uh London New York session. Uh yeah. And then we'll see how the market, even on Euro USD, as you can see, we have this breakout structure, but I'll be happy for the market first to, after the sweep, to come sweep these lows, and then that's where I could be happy to look for longs. But if the market could like change and go to the upside, I could be happy to take after a candle closure above this high. Above this high, I could be happy to take an entry, something like this. That will confirm if the market wants to go higher or lower. So on Euro USD, this is like the simplest way for me to look for what I'm looking for. That's all. All of this liquidity that we're gonna take, and yeah, man. Let's wait and see on Euro USD. Euro USD is promising. And GU, I don't know why, is in a consolidative manner. Last week, man, took me out. It was a beautiful trade after uh, I took a trade, same trade, uh, after Asian sweep. As you can see, Asia sweep, and then candle closure of the candle that swept liquidity up, candle closure, and then to 1:2. And same as here, this is the candle that swept. I entered right there. The market consolidated and quickly took me out. GBPJPY, GBPJPY is promising, but I won't rush anything. I'm waiting for the market to come into a discounted price somewhere here. Wait for probably a sweep of these lows, and then I could be happy to see a sweep of this low, and then I'll take a long. And AUD USD, I could be happy to see the market coming to cover this very good price here. And obviously, I wait for a sweep of liquidity. And as you can see, this is our range. current range right here. This is our current range. So I could be happy to see the market sweeping this liquidity coming here, and then that's where I could potentially take a sell. And or we're seeking 1:2. So this is what I'm waiting for. That's all I'm waiting for. I can't buy, I can't sell. The market is down here. Yeah, that's all guys. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. See you next one.